The 2026 World Cup starts in 2 days, and weather is going to play a massive role. This summer is more than likely going to be hot and humid. So, to ensure player safety, FIFA is reintroducing cooling breaks. This will be a mandatory 3-minute break within each half. So, this will be one time where the players get to rehydrate, and coaches could also switch up some tactics before halftime. Also, if lightning strikes within 8 miles of an open roof stadium, well, that match is going to be delayed by 30 minutes. And if lightning strikes again within that same delay, then the timer resets. So we could be in it for the long haul. Yes, this is what we've been waiting for. The World Cup kicks off today at the beautiful Estadio Azteca in Mexico City, with South Africa taking on Mexico. But will weather impact the game? Currently, it's already mostly cloudy and humid, so as the day goes on, it's only going to get warmer and more humid. At the time of kickoff, we could be looking at temperatures in the high 70s, and we'll have a high rain chance of 90%. So the first half should be good, but by the second half, that's when we could be experiencing some more showers. 16 saves in one match last week Saturday to help Curacao get their historic first ever World Cup point. So let's look at the forecast. The game will be played in Philadelphia, and we expect temperatures in the mid 80s and 0% rain chance, which is a far cry from what happened with France versus Iraq, where the game was actually delayed at halftime by 2 hours because of severe weather. So the next standout game for me will be Turkey taking on Team USA in Inglewood, California. So the temperatures should be in the mid 60s, but we'll have a high humidity of around 97%. So that's gonna feel muggy, so it'll be interesting to see how the players react to this high humidity. Yes, the World Cup is heating up, and so is the United States. When you look at all these purples right here, across the Midwest and across the Northeast, those are extreme heat warnings. This is because of dangerous heat coupled with high humidity, which will cause heat index values to rise around 105 or 115. So if you're headed to the beach for 4th of July, remember that sunscreen. If you're headed to World Cup games, hydration and sunscreen will be necessary. As you may have noticed, all of these games are going into extra time and penalties as we are now in the knockout stage. So get ready for more drama and more heat. France's multi-talented attack will be going up against Senegal's defensive prowess today in the World Cup, and both teams are more connected than you might realize. Senegal was once a French colony, and they gained independence in 1960. We're talking about two teams with football superstars fighting against each other today in New Jersey at MetLife Stadium. So you're in for a treat because not only will it be an exciting match, but weather conditions are looking good too, with highs in the 70s and 0% rain chance. So enjoy this match because when we look to our friends in the south, Houston, we could have a problem. We're talking about tropical storm watches already being issued as right now we have potential tropical cyclone 1.